What target, before you shoot, what target is that called?
I don't know.
It's a chandelle. Okay, so chandelles, you never go and trace the shape of the rainbow.
You go across.
Chandelles are crossers.
Okay.
Okay, so shoot that as a crosser. Is it fast, medium, or slow?
Medium.
It's medium. Is it far or close?
It's far.
Give it some. Let me see. What target was that? Was that B?
Yeah.
Oh, no, it was C. Oh, okay, it was D. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead. Don't shoot when it starts going down. Then that's it's a dropping shot.
There is
I
no
don't know.
D. Okay. Okay, bird. All right.
To the left a little. There you go. So keep your face on the stop.
Okay. Pull.
Okay. So, what you do, what I want you to do, sorry, is I want you, how much lead are you giving it? Put your finger where you go. Try over here, like, no.
Okay.
Try over here, like right here.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah, get more.
Pull.
So, Ginny, you're starting all the way to the right, but look, where do you see it?
Okay.
There. So I want you, you know that in that blue?
Yeah.
I want you to get it in that blue section. Okay?
Pull.
You're using your arms. You've got to move your gun with your waist, okay? So here's what I want you to do. Your waist, mount to your break point, and unwind to your hold point.
Okay. Now. Okay.
There you go. That was beautiful. Keep your face on your gun on your face.
Okay. Pull.
Good. Good. You do like this little pull at the end?
Yeah.
Don't.